Looking to save space on that desk by getting a new keyboard? Or maybe you're looking for a compact size with performance like this one? Well, you are in luck because today we are checking out the Dareu 71 key blue mechanical switch keyboard. If you stick around for the rest of the video, I'm going to show you how you can save some cash picking up this bad boy. Let's check it out. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by BZ Future. They provided us with the Dareu EK871 model 71 key mechanical keyboard to review. And of course, we have all of our links and details located in the notes below. So this thing is built to be small, tough, and have the performance you need for gaming. So that makes me excited to be checking it out. So let's not waste any more time and get it out of the box. Okay, so we have the EK871 Trinity GTR. This is a wired Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless keyboard with a battery power of 1900 milliamps, hot swappable, and of course RGB. That's what's important. So let's get this out of the box. See what we got. Right out the top, we got some nice packaging. Ooh, this thing feels super nice. It's white, has a really tough body. It's a 71 key keyboard. We have 71 key written there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. We got some logo branding right here on the front. On the back side, we have a port. It's a USB-C. That is huge for me. I am so glad I'm seeing all these devices start popping up with USB-C ports, getting upgraded. Right here is the selector switch where you can choose Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, or your wireless 2.4G. And then of course in the corner of the box here, we will have our key puller, a cable, and our paperwork. So we have the instruction manual. This is a USB to USB-C for the cord. And then we have a goodie bag that has a 2.4G receiver. Let's get this out. That's 2.4 gigahertz. And it's got the branding logo there. We have a key puller. And then if you don't know what this is, this will actually pull your switches out. So it's a switch puller, which this has switches. So let's take a look at the switches real quick. Pull that right off. We have blue switches. That is what's up. Then we can take this and pull these switches out for hot swappable switches. Just like that. Yeah. And if you decide you want to change your switches later on, it's that easy. And taking a look at the switch, we have a nice blue switch. It's got our 2 pins on the back and the center point. So this is what you get out of the box. Now let's set it up, put it on a PC, and see what this baby can do. So the brand Dareu is made from 2 words, one being dare and the other one being you, which in fact indicates the spirit of gaming. No doubt, dare to be brave. So that is where they got the wonderful name for this keyboard, and let me tell you, it's got some compatibility. It works with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS, and Android devices. That's right, 3 types of connectivity modes. One being USB wired, 2 being 2.4 gigahertz, and the 3rd being the Bluetooth mode, which allows more devices like notebooks, iPads, phones to be connected. And the Bluetooth it supports is 2 channels, one being 3.0 and the other being 5.0. So you're definitely getting some compact design and powerful functionality. The 71 key layout is approximately equal to a 15.6 inch notebook. And I will say it definitely matches up very well with my MSI Creator 15 that I like to use. It is equipped with your standard keyboard functions and it performs with blue mechanical switches, which makes this keyboard portable and brings you the joy of using a a mechanical keyboard, especially on mobile devices. These days, you're playing more games on mobile devices as you were back in the day with PC and console gaming. Not everyone has gaming PCs or consoles, so if you're gaming on a mobile device, this is definitely a next step upgrade for mobile gaming. And one of the main features that I absolutely love, the magnetic feet, and I've not seen this on keyboards like this. This is, matter of fact, the first mechanical keyboard that I've reviewed that has this feature. They've originally designed the magnetic feet to rotate by 90 degrees, where users can lift the keyboard 3.5 millimeters higher for their needs. I also found this little trick that I'm not sure you're actually supposed to do, but you know, it works for me, so it might work for you. But you can take the feet and stick them up vertically in there, and it actually works pretty well sometimes. You might want to try that out. And speaking of mobile gaming and wireless connectivity, well, you can't have that going dying on you really quick, can you? This bad boy is loaded down with 1900 milliamps lithium battery, giving you continuous 20 days of playtime with the LEDs off, and 4 days with the LEDs on. Note to self, you want to get more game time? Turn them LEDs off. And of course, this data was gathered by the Dareu lab, based on 4 hours of playtime a day. In your lighting mode, the FN combination will be used to adjust your lighting controls, with pressing the FN and L key, and you have over 20 different lighting modes on this keyboard. And with your FN plus bracket key, switching your lighting colors. FN plus the spacebar equals the brightness, which you have 5 levels of brightness: 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and off, all repeating in that cycle. Using this keyboard in wired mode, all you have to do is plug up the USB-C cable to a USB port, then the keyboard will be plug and play while also charging the battery. Power off mode is the slide switch to A when there is no USB-C type cable connected, and then your 2.4G mode is selected to 1, and you also want to use the USB dongle for connectivity. Then you have Bluetooth mode, which is set to number 2, along with the Bluetooth number 2 mode slide set to number 3. When there is no key pressed in a wireless mode for longer than 5 minutes, it will go into sleep mode. While being plugged up, it will not go into sleep mode. And of course, we can talk about all the performance all day long because it is working great for me, but sometimes you just got to take a step back and just look at the beauty. And this thing is glorious. The white color scheme with the RGB backlights really makes this thing set off. I love it sitting on my desk, and it really has that awesome high-tech look. So after using this thing for a while, it is definitely worth taking a look at. I love its size, feel, and performance so well. This is now my #1 keyboard to take with me anywhere I take my notebook. If you would like to check it out for yourself, make sure to check out our notes in the description. We could head on over to BZ Future and check out the Dareu EK871 mechanical keyboard. And if you have stuck around this long, then be sure to also go reward yourself with a discount code using our exclusive coupon code GTC12. That's GTC12. Put it in there and it will knock this bad boy down. That is an outstanding deal for so much performance and such a small size, and just that durable feeling that we all look for while gaming. I would also like to give a big shout out to BZ Future for partnering up with us to give you this review and coupon code. And be sure to give this review a like if you found it helpful or you just like those coupon codes. We all know I do. Not to mention letting us know what your thoughts are on this keyboard in them comments. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.